Student-athlete leaders at North Penn High School were given the opportunity to grow their leadership skills by talking with peers about tough situations and conversations that they've had with teammates and coaches. Discussions involved best practices for handling such situations and conversations through respecting the opinions, viewpoints, backgrounds, and cultures of others.
I mean, we just learned how to be good leaders as athletes and trying to improve on just relationships with coaches and friends.
Definitely feed into the rest of the team, especially in the future. So helping establish ways to solve problems within our teams and build team spirit and make our teams better all together, not just for this year, but for the future.
My hope is that they take what they learned today, take it back to their team, and not necessarily through words, but through actions. Others will see how to handle conflict, how to deal with difficult situations in a mature and responsible manner. And if that takes place, I think this has been a success.
Leadership workshops, students are developing their ability to handle difficult situations and foster school spirit as well as respect throughout the entire building.